Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily file and run GST on Xero. So all you have to do is head over to xero.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on accounting. Next, click on accounting, then click on reports. So from here, just scroll down. Then, under the Taxes and Balances section, click on GST F5 Return. So, from here, you have an option to edit and make changes to GST reports. Just click on the specific GST and scroll down and make sure that you're satisfied and you've checked that all the details were all correct. Then once done, just head over and click on Finalize Return. And next is click on File with IRAS. So from here, all you have to do is fill in all the details being asked, such as your contact details and also declaration. Make sure that you check the box that you declare the information is true and complete. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on File with IRAS. So from here, you will be prompted to log in. You can scan the QR code via the app, or you can also log in using your ID and password. And from there, all you have to do is follow in the on-screen guidelines and steps to finish filing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.